Welcome back, Smarties, to another episode of Smart Real Estate with Westcliff. I'm your host, Addy Saeed, and with me is my ever insightful partner, Jaffer. Today, we're diving into the movements that's reshaping how investors think ESG investing. Just specifically, why demand is rising and how investors, from institutions to individuals, are increasingly prioritizing sustainability.
More investors today are asking, what's the environmental impact? What's the social responsibility angle? Is this investment governed ethically? And that's not just lip service. We're seeing serious capital moves into ESG compliant projects and in real estate that creates both challenge and opportunity.
So let's start with the why. ESG investing has grown significantly in the last decade. According to Morningstar, over one-third of global assets under management are now ESG-related vehicles. Why? Because young investors, institutional mandates, and even regulatory bodies are pushing for sustainable capital development.
And it's not just idealism either. Many investors now believe ESG compliance reduces risk. Properties with better energy ratings, lower operating costs, and community conscious design are more resilient both operationally and reputationally.
At Westcliff, our team has actively adapted to this need by prioritizing projects that meet or exceed energy and water efficiency benchmarks, incorporating tenant wellness and community engagement into the design, and recommending third-party environmental assessments and impact statements.
And our investors appreciate it. We've had more clients ask us how their capital can support sustainable housing, green developments, and of course, long term livable communities. We're responding by curating these kinds of projects and making them accessible even through registered accounts.
Yeah, we recently had an investor, a mid-career executive, tell us they no longer want to support traditional funds with outdated portfolios. They want visibility. They want to know, what's the carbon impact of my investment?
And that's becoming common, Addy. Pension funds, endowments, and foundations are mandating ESG alignment. Family offices are asking for sustainable briefings. Advisors are recommending ESG screening for private portfolios.
If you're listening and you're ESG curious, the best place to start is with your values. Do you care about the climate, about affordable housing, about local housing impact, a local community impact? From there, look at how the investments are aligned or not.
And we're here to help. Our team at Westcliff walks investors through the ESG lens of each project, showing not just the potential returns, but the measurable impact.
If you're ready to explore ESG aligned investments that still deliver strong returns, book a call with us at cal.westcliffam.com.
And don't forget to join the Westcliff Investors Network at win.westcliffam.com for early access to sustainable real estate offerings, impact reports, and strategy sessions.
At Westcliff, we help you learn, invest, and manage with purpose. Please remember, while we are professionals, this podcast is for informational and educational purposes only. The advice shared may not apply to your unique situation. Always seek personalized advice from a qualified professional before making any investment decisions.